Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's enter About Phone. Here we have to find, not really find, but let's take a look at the MIUI version, because this is the feature which will allow us to unlock the developer options. So all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see the information that we are in the developer mode, just like here. If you will have the pattern or pin currently set, any screen lock actually, then your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. So be aware about that. So after activating the developer options, we can go back to the general settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. So let's tap on it. And here we have to scroll down also to the very bottom in order to find the developer options. So let's tap. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So as you can see, we've got some options which are connected to the apps, to media. We can show view updates, for example, show surface updates, show visual feedback for taps. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth, USB, the Wi-Fi, so the whole networking, and so on and so on. So we've got a lot of options to customize. Be aware that some of them are really crucial for the system, so you may harm your system. So don't customize the options which you don't know, simply. So if you would like to turn on the feature, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like for example here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you would like to turn them off, then all you have to do is to simply go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back, the developer options should disappear. Probably we have to go back to the general settings, and let's check. And as you can see, simply after going back to the general settings, the developer options will disappear from additional settings. Of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Actually, not build number, but the MIUI version. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.